Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Danielle here. Today's video will be partnering with Eayonhair to give you guys this flawless knotless boho braid look. So if you're interested, definitely continue watching, and if you're new, come on in, join the family, and without further ado, let's get started today's video. So this hair, as I mentioned, is from Eayonhair. I did not use any braiding hair. This is 100% human afro kinky hair. So this hair came in this drawstring bag. It has the logo Eayonhair marked on it. Again, I used the 18-inch, 20-inch, and 22-inch in human hair afro kinky. Now this is the hair straight out of the package. Very nice, very soft. The curls are popping. They did include a crochet hook and also a hair clip. Now of course you're gonna wash your hair, condition it, and blow it out before you do this hairstyle. After I blowed out my hair, I did go ahead and part my hair horizontally and applied a little bit of gel just to make my parts more precise. So I started things off with their 18-inch bundle. I went ahead and separated the hair and just used the edge control that I was using for my parts and began to saturate it on the tip of the hair. This allows the hair to separate into sections more easily. I've seen this done on YouTube plenty of times, and I decided to do it myself. I did separate the hair in around 10 or so sections. Now for installing process, you want to separate your hair into 3 equal parts, and you're going to go ahead and braid your hair just as you normally would. And then you're going to take a small section of the afro kinky hair and only place one strand on one of the strands that you already have, and then take that same strand and place it on another strand and go ahead and braid your hair. If you're looking at what I'm doing very closely, you'll see that's how you achieve the knotless look. So hopefully you guys catched on to what I did. I'm going to show you guys again just to, make sure you get it. Now, by doing this method, you're going to avoid the bulky look at the root of the hair. And one thing that I love about Eayonhair is that this hair is very lightweight. So the more you put in, it feels like you don't even feel it at all. I like the fact that Eayonhair offered the afro kinky hair because I definitely wanted a hair texture that was very similar to mine. And so I'm glad that they offered that as a choice, And this hair is curly just as much as your own natural hair. You just add a little bit of water and you have your curls. Now you'll see later on how I style it and how I, revive the curls because, once again, it's afro kinky, so it can get a little bit frizzy from time to time. But I'll show you guys how to handle that later on. And there you have it. That's the boho braid look. So once again, you're going to take a strand of the afro kinky hair. You're going to place it on your own hair. Then you're going to take the remaining afro kinky hair and place it on a different strand of your hair. For the boho braids, all you're going to do is get that same strand of hair, do what you were doing before, but the only difference is that we're not going to take back up the remaining strand. We're going to leave that there to give that curly effect. So with a little bit of practice, I was able to get this right, and hopefully you are able to follow along and get this right as well. That's the result you're going to be looking at once you do your own hair. Definitely check out the description box if you want the same exact hair as the one I'm doing right now. Once again, it is the afro kinky curly human hair bundle. Now check out Eayonhair, guys. They're affordable. They offer good quantity of hair. That 18-inch bundle pack lasted the entire back section of my hair, and I still have a good amount left over. So go ahead and check out Eayonhair. I will leave all the links down in the description box below. Now as you see, one side of my hair is puffier than the next. I'm showing you guys how to achieve the curly look once you have that puff. Don't be alarmed because this is human hair, so just as your own natural hair will look with humidity or whatnot, that's exactly how this human hair bundle will look. So as you guys see, it's very minimum shedding, which is a good sign. So all you're going to do is add some water, right? Saturate your hair with water. Then you're going to go ahead with some gel. I use the Eco Styler gel because it's water based and it's just easy to apply. Go ahead and apply some mousse just to tame the frizz and seal and lock everything in, provide that extra moisture. Go ahead and do that, and you see how those curls are looking amazing. Next, I'm going to take the scissors and I'm just going to cut it into a little bob cut. I was going to go for a bob cut, guys. You know, don't judge my cutting style. I'm still learning. I went ahead and used the additional mousse and the Cream of Nature Shining Conditioner because I wanted my hair to have a little bit more shine and sheen. And there you have it. This is the result. You know, look how amazing this looks. If you want to recreate this hairstyle, go ahead and check out the links provided in the description box below. Or if you even want crochet hair, they have this in crochet hair, guys, and they even have a wig. They have so many options. Okay, don't limit yourself. This will take time for you to complete. Okay, I'm telling you guys, it's gonna take time. So if you want the crochet option, go ahead and purchase it. Now, one piece of advice that I would give you guys is that as you're braiding down the hair, you want to cut off the straight pieces so that the straight pieces don't end up at your ends like how they did with mine. You see how, if you look closely, you see some of the straight pieces on my ends. If you want the fully curly look and the more vibrant, you know, boho look, go ahead and cut off those straight pieces and your hair will look amazing. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers, so go ahead and show your support and subscribe down below.